Welcome to Robin Technical Blocks. Here today we will discuss about the Wi-Fi issue. So what you can do is when you face a Wi-Fi issue, you can click on the start menu and then we can either click on the settings or we can even right click on start menu and get the settings. So once we click on settings, we need to go to network and internet. Once we click on network and internet, then we need to click on status, and then from the right side we will scroll down to the bottom and then we will click on network reset. So this will reset all the networks on your computer. So you will get the option to reset now. So you need to click on reset now and then wait for 5 minutes.